welcome to online physical science class for class 10. Today's chapter is Mendel's periodic table and subtopics defects of Mendeleev periodic table. In previous video I show and discuss about the Mendeleev periodic table, but here we will discuss about the defect or drawbacks of Mendeleev periodic table. The first and foremost important drawbacks is inverted position of potassium and argon. Mendeleev violated his periodic law for several times in classifying element, where element with lower atomic weight was placed first and then element with higher atomic weight. As for example, he placed potassium atomic weight 39.1 after argon 39.9. If you go through the Mendeleev periodic table, if we go through the periodic table, here we see that argon atomic weight 39.9 is placed before potassium, whose atomic weight is 39.1. It should be placed here, and in place of potassium, argon should become. Same mistake done in 8 group, cobalt CO, whose atomic weight 58.94, and nickel atomic weight 58.69 is placed after cobalt. It should be placed before cobalt. Same thing happened in case of Te, whose atomic weight is 127.6, and I, that means iodine, atomic weight is 126.91, should be placed before Te. Next we go to the position of hydrogen. Controversial position of hydrogen in the periodic table also hints at discrepancy within the table. Since hydrogen exhibit similarity as well as dissimilarity with both alkali metal in group 1 and halogen metal in group 7b. Here I draw a chart, point in favor of group 1. Why should hydrogen put in point group 1? The electronic configuration, if you go through, hydrogen electronic configuration, outermost orbit consists 1 electron, that's why it is univalency, and alkali metal also univalency, it has 1 electron in their outermost orbit. In case of formation of a cation, hydrogen form cation by losing electron, and alkali metals also form same cation by losing electron. In case of formation of halide, hydrogen form HCl, whereas alkali form same NaCl and KCl etc. What are the similarity we found with group 7b element with hydrogen? Formation of anion, hydrogen get 1 electron and becomes anion. Similarly, halogens also receive 1 electron, form anion. Hydride, hydrogen form same hydride, sodium hydride, potassium hydride, and halogens also form same hydride, NaCl, KCl. diatomic or gaseous. As hydrogen is diatomic, that's why we written H2, and it is gas. And halogen, that means fluorine, chlorine, bromines are also diatomics, and all are gases. Thus, we conclude that hydrogen can be placed both in group 1 with alkali metal and with group 7 with halogen group. Next drawback is the position of lanthanides and actinide cannot be justified on the basis of their atomic weight. Last but not least, the position defect, defect, that is the position of isotope. Isotope of an element have different atomic weight, so they should be placed at different position of periodic table, but in Mendeleev periodic table there is no such position for isotope. Today's till much we try to discuss about the defect of Mendeleev periodic table. See you. Thank you for watching videos.